Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have some controller grips for the Meta Quest 3 from a company called AMVR. They make a lot of VR accessories. You guys should definitely check them out. And in my opinion, the controller grips are a must-have accessory for your Meta Quest 3 or Quest 3S. They're absolutely great, makes it much more comfortable, gives you more grip, and of course they have other sizes as well, so they got another model if you have larger hands. I just have the normal one right here. So this is the box, MVR right here, branding, anti-throwing strap, grip cover, and the model is Q3HS1. Have a look on the box, on the back right here. The model, weight 90 grams, the package weight 150, material it's silicone plus leather, and if you have any issues, they have their phone number right here to access their service, or you can send them an email. They'll be more than happy to assist you. More specs right here on the side, so it won't fall even if you open your hand. Leather straps are adjustable in length. Battery can be replaced directly because it has like a socket, which I'm going to show you guys in a second, and easy installation. Pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside, and after that I'm going to show you guys how everything looks when the controllers and the grips are combined. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have the covers right here. Starting with the covers, they're good quality silicone. They feel really good quality, and they come with Velcro straps, so you can adjust them, give him the size of your hand. Just have them tight on your hand, and then you can open your hand without your controllers dropping. It makes life way easier. We have some inserts right here, left and right. They're labeled left and right there, with some plastic pullouts for the battery. Basically the battery will wrap around this, and when you want to change the battery, all you have to do is just pull and the battery will come out. Super simple. They even included some spare ones right here. We have the left and the right one, and we have a guide right here. Give this a read to basically get an understanding how you can mount it and how you can use it, but it's very simple. And basically all you have to do is just take the grip out, take the battery cover out from the controller, use the one they provided, and then insert the controllers. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks when it's done, and I'm gonna wrap it around my hand and show you guys how it looks. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so now everything is fully set up. I only have set up one because I wanted to show you guys how the battery pullout system works. It's a really amazing feature which I really like. So basically on the right controller right here, I haven't inserted the grip fully, only the battery cover and the pullout system. So when you want to change your battery, all you have to do is basically pull this plastic tab out, the battery will come out, pop another one in there, you're ready to go. And you don't have to take out the grip for that. It's got a silicone cover, so as you can see, you can't even see it, and when you press it, it goes flush. It's absolutely great. And this is how the grip looks like. I like that it matches the black top design of the controller. It looks absolutely great. It's very comfortable, super lightweight. I can open my hand without the controller dropping, doesn't go anywhere. Feels really good quality. I will definitely recommend this product. Basically, I think it's a must-have for any VR enthusiast, especially if you're playing games. If you hold in your controllers a lot, your palms will start sweating. This eliminates that problem as well. And overall, great quality. AMVR, they do really good VR products. In terms of accessories, they have face covers and so on. So if you guys want to check them out, I will have a link in the video description down below where you can buy the grips. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.